So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the fuel filter. A lot of times you can just use these. Took some doing. A mixture of diesel and gas. So yeah, definitely got a problem with the fuel. We hooked up a clean fuel system to the lift pump. Just a quick tip, if you're working on one of these old trucks been sitting around for 5 or 10 years with fuel in them, the worst thing you can do when you start working on it is start cranking on it. You need to bypass the fuel tank. The fuel's probably really bad condition and it's all sludged up, and you're just going to suck it all right into your injection pump. On these IDIs, it doesn't take very long, but a few minutes to do it. A couple pieces of hose, and you'll have some fresh diesel in there. I crawled underneath there to pull the suction line off of the lift pump, and I see this, and it's leaking fuel. It's like, so this is what usually happens. Ford likes to wrap these really hard plastic lines, fuel line, in this rubber. So you get underneath there, you see is like a rubber hose. And a lot of times, guys that don't know any better, while they're testing or they're just doing some kind of repair, they'll reach up in there with a pair of needle nose vice grips to crimp off that rubber line, which you can do on a rubber line as long as you don't go too hard. But they don't realize is there's a plastic line in there, and when they crimped off that hose, they actually damaged the line. That right there would have kept this truck from running. So we're up to 3 things now that could have kept this truck from running. Okay, so what we've done is we've attached a piece of 3/8 line right to the bottom of the lift pump. The lift pump bolts right to the block. It's like an old Chevy fuel pump. The hard line is the pressure line, and the rubber line is the suction line. So we just took that suction line off and put a length of 3-foot length 3/8 fuel line on there. We're gonna put this in our container of known good fuel. So we eliminated the fuel tank, so this will pull in nice clean fuel. We added some transmission fluid, hoping that we can get some of that into the injection pump. So I think our next step is going to be to go ahead and bleed all the injectors. If you've opened the system, changed the filter and got air in there, trapped in there, or let's say you changed the lift pump or whatever, you have to get the air out of the system, it won't run. I need 2 batteries, but guess where my other battery is? It's inside this box that's pinned down by the front of the pickup, and I can't get the battery out. I'm on it like a duck on a June bug, baby.
What happened?
You hit the fence. Who taught you how to drive? You just gotta keep smiling, man. That's what I do.
My best friend taught me how to drive.
Hey, stay till next week's episode. We're gonna go through the glow plug operation and change some glow plugs. You might learn something. I'll tell you. We need to get some more subscribers so I don't have to work so hard. Maybe we'll see the IDI put out some smoke. So what do you guys think? 3-inch straight pipe. That's what I'm thinking. 3-inch straight pipe right out the back. Maybe 4. We're gonna make this thing sound awesome.
You mean like your motorcycle?
Yes. Kind of. If you found value in this video, please subscribe.